Hello and welcome to Food Time. I harvested a whole bunch of vegetables today and I'm going to be making the Swiss chard and kale pie. I'm going to make the dough and roll it into a ball and let it rest for 30 minutes or a little bit longer if you need it to. 1/2 cup of water, cold water, to my flour, 2½ cups flour, and 1/3 cup olive oil, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix that together until you have a nice consistency, and you'll want to knead the ball for about 1 minute. Mince 4 garlic cloves. I'll need 3/4 teaspoons of pepper flakes and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. This is for the filling while the dough rests. I'll need 1 medium onion chopped and 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil for the end once my Swiss chard is all prepared. I will need 1 egg yolk with a little milk added for the top of the crust. I will cube the sausages. This was my added extra. I'll need the juice and zest from either a lime or a lemon, and the pulp as well. This will go into the mixture after we've drained the liquid out. There's my Swiss chard and my kale. The stems are in the little purple bowl. So we'll take our fry pan and we'll add the 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan, swirling it around, and add the sausage. And then you will add the onions and the garlic to the pan, along with the pepper flakes. You want to saute that for about 2 minutes. This is a very quick and easy meal. Next you will add your Swiss chard and your kale, and you will cover your pan and cook this with the cover on for 4 minutes. Then you'll remove the lid and cook for an additional 4 minutes. Next, you will strain off the liquid from your vegetables. Now you'll add your vegetables to a bowl, and you will add the lemon juice, the zest, and the flour, tossing it around until it's nicely combined together. And of course the Parmesan cheese. You will need an 8-inch round pan that is at least 2 inches deep. You roll out your dough to 12½ inches and put it in your pan, your cake pan, and add the filling. You will have already rolled out your top layer, which is about 9 inches, and you'll position that on top and do the edges. At which time you will use your egg yolk with a little bit of milk, and you will add and baste it to the top crust. Cook at 400 for 40 to 45 minutes, and you have a lovely meal. Thank you so much for your visit, and have a great day.